Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by slicing 2-3 lb of yellow onions thinly. Even slices mean uniform caramelization. Heat 2 tablespoons butter with 1 tablespoon neutral oil and brown onions in batches so they color instead of steam. That develops the deep sweet flavor. Once golden, scrape all fond and transfer onions to the crock pot. Add 2 cloves crushed garlic and 2 tsp salt. This begins the savory backbone. Make sure to keep the skillet fond for deglazing in the next step. Once the onions are in the crock pot, deglaze the skillet with 1/2 cup dry white wine or sherry and scrape the brown bits into the pot. Those bits concentrate flavor. Add 6 cups beef stock, 2 bay leaves, 1 tsp dried thyme and 0.5 tsp black pepper, then set the cooker on LOW for 6-8 hours or high for 3-4 hours. Slow, moist heat converts those brown sugars into rich, balanced umami. Stir once mid-cook and skim any excess fat before finishing. When the soup is done, taste and adjust seasoning. Add salt and 1-2 tsp sherry vinegar or lemon to brighten and balance sweetness. Preheat broiler, ladle soup into oven-safe bowls, place a baguette slice on each and pile on grated Gruyere. Broil until cheese bubbles and browns. Let cool briefly before serving. If the soup tastes bitter, dissolve 1 tsp sugar or add a little more vinegar to correct it, and if it's too thin, simmer uncovered on the stovetop to concentrate the broth.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.